So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rose, and I'm from Tanzania. So when I was coming on stage, I was thinking like, where did I bought my products? I remembered from Instagram, sometimes on Facebook, and people who have enabled me to buy this, they're SMEs. Okay, here's an interesting fact. 95% of registered business in Africa are SMEs, and they contribute to almost 50% of GDP. But there's one big challenge with SMEs. They cannot scale and grow. Why? On other hand, small businesses, they don't have digital infrastructure which help them with local payment method, but also does not help them in managing their sales and order, since they rely social media to purchase their products. But on other hand, when you go to traditional e-commerce, they don't support the local payment for the SMEs, but another challenge which they have, they are fragmented, and most of them, they don't have the technology to run these e-commerces. So when it comes to Africa, we have more than 400 million users of WhatsApp, and everyone, their first purchase is done through the social media. And an interesting thing of this social media, when a person does like a digital ad, people will still go to their WhatsApp asking, oh, do you have this product? How much is this product? So this is very challenging, replying to hundreds of texts per day, which might not end up to sell. So we have built Gala. So what is Gala? So Gala, this is the AI platform which specifically built to power the social media, but not replacing them, understanding that these customers, they are already rely on this social media to do their purchases. So what Galas do is enabling these SMEs to get powered via AI to be able to respond to their customers, even if they're not online. Yeah, of course, Africa is a low connectivity country. So our platform enables WhatsApp to continue to function even if somebody is not online. And another thing interesting about Gala is that you can track how many products you have sold using WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram. Because currently, you don't know how many people have come and bought your product via the Instagram. You even don't know how many products were most sold product. But with Gala, you can keep all this on track and be able to unlock other opportunities like financial opportunity with knowing the number of your analytics when it comes to selling on social commerce. So yeah, so here is a dashboard of the seller. So it enables the seller to know how much have been sold, how many products were cancelled. But another thing which enables the person is to know like how many people they have viewed the catalog, and you can be able to contact them to offer them the other support. Yes, we have integrated with local payment method because in Africa, most people rely on mobile payment, and most people cannot, like they don't use banks. So we have used the local payment method, which is the key differentiator with other e-commerce platforms. And we don't want only to serve them with the mobile application like a payment method. Our platform also give an opportunity to existing e-commerce to come and add their products, but also add their APIs to be able now to serve even the people who are preferring to buy things on WhatsApp and other social media. So here is the structure of our revenue. Currently, because we have only launched 2 months ago and people have already started using our product, currently we charge them $10 for setup costs, but we take 3% of every transaction completed by our platform. And this is the market of the social commerce in Africa. But interesting thing, it's not only in Africa, but the global south in general depend on SMEs to scale, like to do their business, but also to provide employment to other people, because there is still a challenge of unemployment, and SME has become like a lifesaver to most of people who have unemployment issues. Yes, 50 merchants are already enjoyed using Gala. Currently, they simplify their sales by automating the response every day they get via the social media, hundreds of texts. Oh my God, my mom is too old to respond to those texts. And another thing, it goes extra mile to give them the local payment methods. People now can purchase via WhatsApp. You can just go with a click and buy what you want. But the interesting thing, we have also partnered with the delivery company. So now you can order and even send your location, and the delivery guy will just come and take your product and enjoy your product wherever you are. Yes, we have competitors, but also I told you, our unique advantage, we operate even if you don't have internet. So if you're a business, no internet, you can still sell. If you're a business, even if you have like maybe language barrier, we have a multilingual model which can opt to respond to local languages. And another interesting thing about Gala is the mobile first. Previously, I showed you, Africa has about 80% of people are using smartphone, and this is growing every day. Yes, the time is now. 85% rely on WhatsApp to sell. But another thing interesting, after the COVID, we see a lot of people are shifting to digital economy. And the time to invest in this was yesterday, but the best time is to do it is now, because African commerce is growing at a faster speed, and it's expected by 2025 to reach 14 billions. And I don't know, when it reaches 2030, how many people will be there? So currently, what we are doing more partnerships because we need local payment methods. But also, apart from that, we are doing target outreach. So we have targeted cities which have a lot of SMEs. And for our country, Dar es Salaam is the leading city. So currently, that is our method which we are using to do our marketing. Yes, we are currently raising 250K. Yeah. Is it a small amount of money? No, for us, because we are customer-first company. So we are looking to generate more revenue to support our company and not raising a lot of funds to scale. So the best time I told you was yesterday to invest. Another best time is now. Thank you very much. Welcome to Gala.
Rose, thank you very much. So what does Gala mean?
Okay, so it's a Swahili word,
Okay.
which means a store where you put something. So
All
that
right,
is Gala.
cool. Very cool. Okay, so Firas, you want to go first?
Sure, happy to. Hi, and congratulations. Great concept. And of course, social marketing and social selling is social commerce in general is a multi-billion-dollar industry worldwide. So have you done your competitive analysis and looked at the big players in social, like the platforms, the marketplaces, the US and other agencies that will come after the African market?
Okay.
Yes, we have looked into that, and that's why for us it's very important we partner with local payments and all, like deliver, because when they come, they have to, like, they will realize there are people who already have this market, and they will come to us, obviously, because we own, like, before we built this, first we were like a AI consulting firm, and we had like a local two people come and make chatbot. So we had a lot of people coming to make commerce chatbots. So realizing this is how we pivoted here, and we have like data of like a lot of people, because when they came to build e-commerce, they couldn't, because they didn't have like API payment integration and all like that, so on. Yeah, so we know Facebook, like Instagram and WhatsApp, those are like, that is Meta, the biggest company. And we know in other regions outside of Africa, they do like payment, but to tap in Africa, they have to have like this kind of APIs and all, like, yeah. So we are moving very fast. So if when they come, they have to come to us, because we already have the market, and they already understand how SMEs work and so on.
Okay, and have you tested the market? Do you have a focus group?
Yes. We have already people onboarded. I said, like, we have launched this 2 months ago, and we are testing it in Dar es Salaam. So we already have 50 merchants, and some of them they are e-commerce platforms which they want to sell their product via social media, and some of them they are social medias, like, I mean, SMEs which are already selling their products on social media. So we are testing on people who are using traditional e-commerce and the people who are using social commerce, like, for selling. So we have those customers, and every day we onboard new people, like, they want to use, okay, because the challenge with social media is getting hundreds of sales which do not lead to sale. And one of the things we are focusing on is simplifying these sales and making sure a person can earn maybe 5 times than without this product.
Okay, Valerie, I can give you an opportunity to ask a question as well.
Yes. So you have already a revenue because you have 50 merchants. So what's the revenue in these 2 months?
Okay, so I said we charge them to onboard, that is $10,
Yeah.
but also by transaction. So for the onboarding, that is like constant, like, but currently what we are pushing on is the transaction side, because we see like there's challenge for some people to, especially like now they are users, like automation. How is it possible? I know some are scared, like they're kind of scared. They're scared of that. So for these 2 months after onboarding, this like we have a revenue like $3,000, like from those people, yeah, which is not bigger, but because now we only have 50 merchants, which we are like trying to like a test on it. But it's not bad because we have not yet launched.
Okay, thank you.
Rose, thank you very much for that amazing presentation.
Thank you.